I am Cass and this is my food channel, Comfy Foods by Cass. I am making carrot pickle, so let's get started. For the carrot pickle, we need about 6 large carrots grated, 1 cup of chopped onion, 1 large tomato chopped. We need oil to braise the carrots in, vinegar, salt, peppercorns, pickle masala, bay leaves, turmeric powder, a little bit of cloves, cinnamon sticks, red chilies, and some mustard seeds. We also need a kettle of boiling hot water. So let's start making the carrot pickle. You can use a heavy base pot to cook this carrot pickle in. I am setting my heat setting to medium high. So the first thing we're going to add in is our onions and our tomatoes. Add a little oil and we're going to braise it. Once it's a little golden brown, we can add in our carrots. So let's get that to heat up. The tomatoes and the onions are braising. So now we can add in our grated carrots. Stir it well into the pot. It reduces in size when it starts to braise. It shrinks a bit. Add some peppercorns. About 10 to 20 peppercorns you can add into it. Add about a teaspoon or so of turmeric powder. That gives it a nice reddish brown color. Add in about 2 to 3 cinnamon stick pieces. For added flavor, I'm adding about 3 cloves, and then we are going to add some bay leaves that I've chopped up. Add a teaspoon and a half of mustard seeds. You can add some dry red chilies as well as green chilies for added spiciness. So that bright orange color is changing. It's getting very light in color now compared to earlier. To add 1 teaspoon of salt. Let's add it well into the carrot pot. I like my pickles a little bit of spice to it. So I'm going to add 1, 2, 3. Let's add about 3.5 spoons of pickle masala. You're going to mix it up well. Then you are going to add in your boiling hot water. You're going to add about a cup or a cup and a half of it. And you are going to let it simmer. So you are going to reduce your heat and let it simmer. And this is going to cook up the carrot further. While it is bubbling, reduce the heat to medium heat. At this stage, you are going to get that strong pickle masala aroma. So your whole kitchen or workstation is going to be brimming with this flavor. I'm going to add some white vinegar. 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup of it. The white vinegar helps to preserve the pickle longer and give it that extra pickle flavor and spiciness when it's combined with the pickle masala. You are going to let that simmer. Add in a little bit of hot water Give it a quick stir and let this cook for about 20 to 30 minutes on medium-low heat. It will get glossy when it's done and it will be thickened as well. It's 10 minutes. I've increased my heat setting to medium-high. So now we can see that it's drying up and thickening nicely. Add in some oil. You can add in 1/4 to 1/2 cup of oil and let slowly simmer once again. Now this is used to preserve the carrot pickle for far longer when you put it into the fridge in glass bottles. Keep it on the stove for a further 10 minutes and now we'll have to reduce it to medium heat. Let's put the lid once again and check on it in 10 minutes time. It's about 20 to 25 minutes now. Let's check and see how the carrot pickle is doing. So if you look carefully, it's thickened very nicely and it's got a nice little gloss coming from the oil and the vinegar. So this carrot pickle is done. We can switch off the stove and remove it. So that's how it looks currently. It needs to cool down and then you can put it into pickle bottles. I like to use the glass bottles. And let me show you how it looks once it's cooled. This is my carrot pickle. You can eat it with any vegetarian or non-vegetarian curry. You can have it with parathas and any other type of snacks as well. After it's cooled off, refrigerate this carrot pickle in glass jars or bottles for at least 2 to 3 days, and then it is ready for you to eat. I hope you enjoyed viewing this video on my channel, Comfy Foods by Cass.